Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, our lesson is about line, ray, and line segment. Actually, we already had this topic in episode 17, but this time I will explain these concepts in a more detailed manner. Okay, let's start. Line ray and line segment are straight lines. But what are the differences of these straight lines? In math, line doesn't have starting point and it doesn't have an end point. That means we cannot measure a line. It doesn't have definite or exact measure. Okay, let's give an example. How are we going to draw or represent line AB? Okay, we're just going to draw a straight line with arrows on both sides of the line. These arrows mean that we can extend both sides endlessly. Okay, how are we going to write line AB? The symbol for line is a horizontal line with arrows on both sides of the line. And just write the letters or the alphabets below this symbol. So this is line AB. Since line doesn't have starting point and end point, line AB is also equal to line BA. So this is also equal to line BA. Okay, let's move on to ray. If line doesn't have starting point and end point, ray has starting point, but it doesn't have an end point. So one side extends endlessly. Okay, example, ray AB. How are we going to draw ray AB? So A is the starting point, and then this side extends endlessly. So we have to draw an arrow. So how are we going to write ray AB? The symbol for ray is a horizontal line with arrow pointing to the right. So this is ray AB. So A or point A is the starting point and this side extends endlessly. Okay, take a look at this one. Ray AB is not equal to ray BA. If it's ray BA, then B must be the starting point. But in this illustration, B is not the starting point. So ray AB is not equal to ray BA. Okay, let's move on to line segment, or we can just say segment. In math, segment has starting point and it has an end point. So let's say, for example, segment AB. How are we going to draw segment AB? So A is the starting point. Just connect or draw a straight line connecting to the end point. So this is segment AB. And if we are going to write segment AB, the symbol for segment is a horizontal line. Then just write the alphabets or letter below this horizontal line. So this is segment AB. Since it has a starting point and end point, segment AB is also equal to segment BA. So equal to segment BA. Okay, this time, to check your understanding about the concepts we have learned, let's answer these concept check questions. So we are going to draw the following lines on the given diagram. Okay, let's take a look at number 1. Okay, look at the symbol above these letters. This symbol means line. So we will read this as line AB. Okay, where is point A? This point. And where is point B? This point. Since this is line AB, then we have to draw a straight line. Okay, and there must be arrows on both sides of the line. Okay, so that is line AB. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Okay, look at the symbol above these letters. This is ray. So we will read this as ray AD. So A is our starting point. So where's point A? This point. And D is here, so that means this side extends endlessly. So this is ray AD. Okay, number 3, the symbol is also ray. So C is our starting point. So where's point C? This point. And D, so here's point D. So if we are going to represent ray CD, okay, starting point is C, then draw a straight line, and there must be an arrow pointing to the right. So this is ray CD. Okay, and the last line here is segment BD. Okay, since this is segment BD, B is our starting point, D is the end point. So draw a straight line. This is segment BD. Okay, let's move on. In learning line, ray, and line segment, it's also very important for you to understand the concepts about distance between 2 points and midpoint. Okay, let's start with the distance between 2 points. We have here 2 points, A and B. Distance between 2 points, this is the length of line segment AB. So in this example, line segment AB, so let's draw a line. So this is our starting point and this is our end point. So this is line segment AB. So the length of line segment AB, which is the shortest line segment connecting the 2 distant points A and B. So the distance between 2 points is the shortest line segment connecting the 2 distant points A and B. So in this illustration, this is the distance between 2 points, and this is the shortest line segment. Okay, why did I say shortest line segment? Because in math, distance between 2 points is the shortest line segment. If we're going to draw curly lines like this, or another line like this, okay, we will not consider this one as the shortest line segment. Okay, the shortest line segment is this straight line from point A to point B. Okay, what about the midpoint or midpoint of line segment? Okay, example. The midpoint of line segment AB. Where's line segment AB? So this is point A and this is point B. So connect or draw a straight line. So this is our line segment AB. Okay, when we say midpoint, in this example, a point M, where's point M? This point. On the line segment AB, that divides the length of AB into 2 equal parts. So line segment AB, in this point, in the middle or at the center of point AB is what we call the midpoint. And the midpoint, okay, divides the length of AB into 2 equal parts. So from point A to M and from point M to B, these lengths are equal. Okay, let's answer this simple activity to check whether we understand the concepts learned. Okay, point M in this illustration is the midpoint of line segment AB. So this is our line segment AB. Point M is the midpoint. Okay, and point N is the midpoint of line segment MB. So where is line segment MB? This is line segment MB. And the midpoint is N. So fill in the appropriate number in the box. Okay, let's check number 1. Okay, segment AB is equal to blank AM. So where's AM? This point up to this point. So that means this is 1/2. Okay, what about number 2? segment MN. So MN is equal to blank MB. So this is MB. So that means 2. So MN is here, 2. Okay, what about number 3? Segment NB. So this is segment NB is equal to blank AB. AB. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 AB. And the last number, if line segment AB is 32 centimeters, what about NB? So NB is equal to how many centimeters? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 32 over 4 or 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. So that means NB or line segment NB is 8 centimeters. Okay, this time let's answer this simple activity. Look at the following diagram and answer the questions. So this is our diagram, and our first question is identify all the line and represent them with symbols. Okay, so let's identify all the lines in this diagram. Okay, take note, lines can extend both sides or in both sides. So the symbol for line is a horizontal line with arrows on both sides of the line. So in this diagram, okay, we can have line AB. Okay, what else? We also have, okay, line BC. So these are the two lines in this diagram, line AB and line BC. Okay, second question. Represent the ray that starts at point B and passes through point C with a symbol. Okay, ray has a starting point, but it doesn't have an end point. So ray that starts at point B. So where's point B? This point. And passes through point C. So where's point C? This point. So this ray. So that means this is ray BC. So B is the starting point and this side extends endlessly. Okay, and our third question, identify all the line segments and represent them with symbols. Okay, so in this diagram, okay, our line segments, let's see. Okay, so we can have A, B. So the symbol for segment is a horizontal line. So we can have segment AB. Okay, what else? Segment AC and segment BC. So these are the line segments in this diagram.